Hi, it's Kerry. Lots of fun on the farm today. Sarah's watering her vegetable garden. Subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. These are llamas. Can you tell me how many donkeys in today's video? David's opening up the gates for the cattle. We've got 2 cows and 2 calves coming in. We're going to feed them now. Matt's helping out. I think she's had too much to eat. Sarah's come to help David at the farm today. She works part-time at the zoo with her friend Sarah. We're ready for the next lot of animals. These are llamas, a black-faced sheep and lamb, a Jacob sheep and a Barbary sheep. The Barbary sheep are naturally found in northern Africa. They are found in dry, rocky, mountainous areas and are very agile at jumping from stone to stone and climbing up steep inclines. You might notice the front legs are shorter than the back. And this is the Jacob sheep. Jacobs most commonly have 4 horns, but some may have 2 to 6 horns. Their most common colour is black and white. Time to feed the sheep and llamas. Sarah has a treat for the llamas. And I've ordered some toys for the animals. The Barbary sheep decides to reverse down again. We're getting ready for some hens and chicks, roosters and a new garden. There's a fence around the garden for very good reasons. Sarah waters her new garden. Time to feed them. We're expecting 4 donkeys soon. I can hear them coming. Donkey Fall. Sarah has some treats for the falls. And it's now time to feed the others. The farm is looking good. We're going to make a pond. There's a piece of blue paper under my glass dish. Add some plants and some birds. Well, that was another fun day at the farm today. The ducks and geese. The hare driving the tractor. The donkey family. The chickens, roosters and chicks. And the vegetable garden. And the cows and calves. Llamas, Barbary sheep, Jacob sheep, black-faced sheep and lamb. Thank you for watching my video. Please share my videos with your friends. See you again soon.